Let's tour this true gem nestled on a serene, tree-lined street in sought-after west slope of sunny Bernal Heights in San Francisco. This stunning home has undergone a down-to-the-studs remodel, giving it the feel of new construction. The kitchen features a skylight, a large center island, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The main level offers a bedroom and a full bathroom. Enjoy the bright and airy open kitchen, dining, and living areas with 10-feet ceilings. While downstairs, discover the luxurious primary suite and another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. Additional features include a dedicated laundry area, internal access to the garage with EV charging, and a charming back patio. With a high walk score of 95, shops, restaurants, public transportation, and tech shuttle stops are all conveniently close by.